Child car seats are important, and it's important to replace them when necessary. Car seats begin to degrade after 5 to 6 years. You can often find the expiration date on the manufacturer's label of a car seat. After this date, you need to replace your child's car seat. Child car seats do an excellent job protecting your child in the event of a car accident. However, after an accident occurs, that car seat may need to be replaced. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, car seats do not need to be replaced in the event of a minor car accident. A minor accident is a car accident that meets all 5 of the following criteria. The vehicle was able to be driven away from the crash site. The vehicle door closest to the safety seat was undamaged. Nobody inside the vehicle was injured. None of the airbags in the vehicle were deployed. And there is no visible damage to the car seat. If the car accident does not meet all 5 of these requirements, the child's car seat needs to be replaced. Follow these rules and guidelines to provide maximum safety for your child while driving your car.